In this video I would like to show you the new features of Meravith. When you insert the indicator on chart, you will see immediately this message asking you to press S button to scan the market. What is this? We got a new button here, S, which is for scanning, and when you push it, Meravith immediately will start to scan all the time frames one by one, and when complete, it will return to 1 minute time frame, showing you everything that the indicator found on the market. Each trend will be visible here on this table. So on 1 minute we got bearish, on 5 minutes we got bearish, on 15 minutes we got bearish, on 30 minutes we got bearish on high volume, which is not exhausted. What does it mean? If the market didn't reach any exhaustion level, then it will be marked as non-exhausted. And if the market got high volume inside this trend, you will see it also here. So let me switch to 30 minutes time frame and you will see what I'm talking about. It is also the same on 4 hours. Bearish on high volume, non-exhausted. We got 2 time frames with the same description, so in this case I will prefer to work on the higher time frame, on 4 hours. Okay, I will switch to 4 hours and let me investigate and see what I got here. I got bearish trend. I see volume here on the bearish side, also 1. This is the second volume candle, and also I see that my target is the bearish volume exhaustion, which is not reached yet. So my idea is to short from the liquidity line to the bearish volume exhaustion. I also can try to short from the bullish deviation line from here with the same target to exhaust the market. But you see that the market already checked 3 times the bullish deviation line, so I already missed this signal, and the idea is to short from the liquidity line. So the scanner is working this way. If this is the best setup you the scanner can find for you. When we got the trend on high volume and this trend is not exhausted, that means the first exhaustion line has been never reached until current moment on the market. Okay, let me show you, for example, the daily, where we got bullish on high volume. Daily. This is our daily chart. What we got here? Bullish market. The market reached here the first exhaustion. After that reached the second exhaustion. We got high volume in this trend, but the first exhaustion line already surpassed and is not that interesting for us. You can also trade this trend, but the most interesting for us as traders to find the best setup on the market, I think this is when the trend is in initial stage and the volume has been accumulated inside and no one exhaustion or target has been reached, because this way we know that the market got enough power to explode with direction. Uh, what else to show you? You can press the A button and immediately the analysis will be shown in front of your eyes. Okay, for example, this 1 hour bullish trend with warnings. If it's interesting to you what are the warnings here, you can switch to 1 hour time frame and you will see that volume has appeared on both sides of the liquidity, indicating a possible range. Let me zoom in and to see what we got here. We got bullish trend. Here we got bullish volume, again bullish volume, the market dropped. Here we got volume on the other side of the liquidity, and here also. And the warning is volume has appeared on both sides of the liquidity, indicating a possible range. We got here on the upper side and here on the lower side. So our range can be something like this before proceeding further with trend. So this is not interesting for us. "15 minutes. Let me check what we got here. Only bearish trend. This is our top. The market dropped down. This volume is on the liquidity, so it is not bearish. You can see, I zoom out and you can see that all the candles are touching the liquidity line. So this is not bearish volume nor bullish volume. It is neutral. We don't know what volume it is. The same situation here. So the warning here, no, we got no warning. The information we receive from the analysis is that this is bearish trend with average volume. Why average? Because we got no extra big volume on one of these sides of the market, nor bullish nor bearish. And the message further proceed: you can trade the trend or wait for high volume as additional confirmation of the direction. So you can trade this bearish trend, but probably it's better to see some bearish volume here in order to proceed down. Anyhow, it can proceed down. I don't know. Okay, let me proceed with the next pair, dollar yen. Again, same situation. I insert the indicator on the chart, and the indicator is asking me to scan the market. Sometimes I should warn you about this, because the calculations are very heavy. All the calculations are actually fractal calculations, and we got big accumulation in our calculation. So in this respect, sometimes it is possible the chart to have some problems with the refresh. It is not a bad idea to, if something, when you look the chart and check the trend and you see that something is not exactly the same as it is written on the chart on this table, you can rescan again the the chart pushing the S button again. This will make you safe in order to avoid some mistakes in the analysis. Anyhow, MetaTrader 5 is better in this respect than MetaTrader 4, and this is the reason I prefer MetaTrader 5. This is our scanning results. We got bearish on high volume, warnings, nothing interesting here. We got bullish and bearish trends on high volume, but they are their first exhaustion line already has been reached. So because I prefer the best pattern, I will proceed further with the next pair. This is dollar Swiss franc. Let me see what will show here. Nothing interesting again. Aussie. This is very interesting. Here I got on 30 minutes bearish on high volume, which is non-exhausted. So this is a good idea to check it, whether it's possible to trade or not. I will switch to 30 minutes, and I see that here we got excellent setup. We got bearish trend, the market drop below the liquidity line, give us a signal that the market is bearish. Here we got bearish volume. The bearish volume exhaustion is not reached. Presently, the market is on liquidity line here. My estimation is the market to drop from this point to bearish volume exhaustion, or alternatively to drop from the bullish deviation line. I see that presently I am on 30 minutes time frame, and the closest higher opposite trend on mine, this is the 4 hours time frame, which liquidity line is exactly here. That's why it is possible the market to go up to this level of liquidity and then to drop here. So this is a good setup. Next one and final one. This is gold. Four hours bearish on high volume, non-exhausted. Let me check. Excellent setup again. I see bearish trend with volume inside. The market is on volume equilibrium. I'm expecting drop here to bearish volume exhaustion. The next higher time frame, this is the daily, and the liquidity of the daily is below my bearish volume exhaustion, so no problem for the market to drop from this equilibrium to bearish volume exhaustion. In this respect, this is excellent setup for me. I can check also where is the bullish deviation line, because this is the next place where we can short the market. This is quite close. So you can see how with easy with this scanner you can find good setups. I hope this will be of help of everybody. And when I'm ready with my analysis and my setup here, I can open the next table here, giving me the resistance levels, the target, stop loss, risk reward, etc. Everything I need to set my position right on the market. So I hope you will like it, and wishing you a good night. Thank you.